So about 2 years ago, I had this theory that I could put smaller charge pipes on my car, and the car, it still makes good power, and it still works perfectly fine for what I'm doing with the car. But I had this theory that smaller intercooler piping, smaller charge pipes all together would just make the car a lot more peppy, a lot more responsive. I'd build boost faster, and I honestly don't think that is the case. While I did save some volume in the intercooler pipes, I feel like with how big of the turbo, or how big of a turbo I am running, I am actually just kind of making the turbo inefficient because it needs to breathe all of that extra air that it produces. It looks good on the boost gauge, it makes a lot of boost, but I don't think the engine is actually able to breathe all of that boost through such small piping. So I think if I was running a turbo more along the lines of like a KO3, upgraded KO3, a KO4, somewhere around there, the 2-inch piping would be fine. But I am running a turbo that is, we started with this guy here. I went down in size, tried this guy. This one was just a actual shitty eBay turbo, even though it looks the coolest. And then we moved to this CX Racing single ball bearing, which you can see these turbos are pretty freaking massive. I think it's like a 68 millimeter inducer on that one, and a 48 AR back housing. Now currently I'm running the same turbo, same inlet and everything, but a bigger back housing. So it's just moving a lot more volume of air than 2-inch charge piping can handle, in my opinion, which it handles it just fine, but I think we'd be a lot more efficient with bigger charge piping. So that brings us back to the box that we have over here. Over the summer I actually bought a new intercooler. I bought a few new intercoolers. I ended up sticking with the M. It's like MUSA or MUSA. It's like a 4-inch core and 3-inch inlet and outlet, and putting that on actually woke the car up incredibly, like more than I thought it actually would. So that got me thinking about the charge piping as well. I was like, what if that is restricting me as well? So here we are today, unboxing this. This is going to be probably over the next 3-4 days. I'm going to slowly put this together so I can actually get it to fit nice in the engine bay and look nice. We've got silicone, we've got charge pipes, there's a bunch. Another 45. I'm going to slam everything together. 2 reducers, or these are actually the 3-inch to 2.5-inch for the intercooler, so we can use that still. And I'm not doing anything, it's getting dark out, so I'm just gonna call it there. Sorry, the camera is on a tripod and I'm trying to hold it straight, but I can't. Yeah. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. Welcome me back. I'm back. Hey, we're gonna do some car things.